Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy hat. Make a magic circle. I use a 9mm hook. Insert your hook into this yarn, turn it, hide this yarn under a, make one chain, mark first chain. Insert your hook into this ring, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make one single crochet, one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, four single crochet, five single crochet, six single crochet, seven. I made 7 single crochet. With this chain we have 8 stitches in first round. Insert your hook into this chain after this marked stitch. Pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make one chain, mark first chain, insert your hook into first stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through. Now we have 2 stitch in first stitch. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, marked this stitch, go to this stitch, second stitch, make 1 more single crochet. Now we have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, mark first single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 more single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, mark this stitch, first stitch, go to this stitch, make 2 single crochet. We have 2 single crochet in each stitch and mark first stitch, I have 16 stitches in second round, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 marked stitch. Insert your hook into this first mark stitch in here. A slip stitch. Increase one stitch in all marked stitches like this. Make one chain, make 2 single crochet in marked stitch. I have 1 stitch and 1 single crochet. I have 2 stitch in first stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch, and marked first stitch. Go to this stitch and increase 1 single crochet like this. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, marked first stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch, 2 single crochet in marked stitch, and 1 single crochet in this stitch. 1 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in here, 2 single crochet in here, 1 single crochet in here, and continue. Make 1 single crochet in last stitch, go to first marked stitch, a slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in first stitch, make 1 single crochet in next stitch, mark first stitch, make 2 single crochet in marked stitches, and 1 single crochet in other stitches like this. 1 2 single crochet in marked stitch, increase 1 stitch in marked stitches, mark first single crochet same as before row, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in these stitches, and continue like this 4 more rows. I crocheted 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. In total I have 48 stitches in this row. If you want to crochet larger than this hat, you can increase for 2 rows in this stitch one more single crochet. For example, in next row you should have 56 stitches on next row. I crocheted for 14 centimeters. After 14 centimeters, make one chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet and make one single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, make a chain and make one single crochet in each stitch. 4 more rows. After 80 centimeters, in this row, make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch, make a chain, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make one chain, make a chain, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make a chain, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, make a chain and continue like this. Skip one stitch, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, make a chain, go to first stitch, slip a stitch, make one chain like this, go to previous hole like this, pull up yarn, pull through, go to this hole, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next hole, pull up yarn, pull through and continue like this, pull up yarn, pull through.